We take them out on the dock.
I figure I'll start recording now so I don't like miss any, and we can always edit it out later.
All right, Kurt. What, you're not gonna name him Curtis? Jenna's name is Kurt. Kurt.
I was lucky.
His name is Kurt Lucky. He has a first and a last name.
Is it a male?
We don't know. Then you better name it like gender neutral. That's why Lucky was a good choice.
Yeah.
Katrina. How's that? She made us want to fly out of the box or something.
This is why cleaning up shorelines is important. I think it was maybe still attached to the boat because there was a boat out there.
Oh, really?
And Jenna said that it seemed to be coming straight from the boat. Thanks. It's been really fun. Thanks for letting us hang out with you for the day.
There you go. All better. Phew.